Hey besties, we have our overflow mystery jewelry jar from Miss Debbie. Look at that arm cuff sitting right on top. That's gonna be a forever keep. I need that off right away. Let's get straight into it. I will be tagging Debbie's Depop on screen here, so be sure to give her a follow. We're starting off with this insane arm cuff. I would wear it. This says keep, this says not keep, whatever. I don't keep will be on my Whatnot show, which is also linked in my bio. So go check me out. I'm gagged. This might be the most beautiful arm cuff I've ever received. I am putting her on. I have to. Insane. Insane. Guys, we have another arm cuff. Oh. She's going on too. We're just gonna stack right now. Look at her. Look. These are handmade. These were handmade by Miss Debbie. And I am gagged, to say the least. Those are the most beautiful earrings I think I've ever freaking seen in my entire life. We have this shell bracelet. I've been wanting one of these. I have a blue one to match it, so it's perfect. Yeah, can never go wrong with one of those bracelets. What are you? This is, I don't really know. I'm confused. I think it's just, I don't really know. I think it just goes like that. I don't think I would wear it, but it's got the cutest little flowers on it, so I'm not gonna keep. That's adorable. Look at the little butterfly on it. She's like, I don't want to be shown. Oh, that's beautiful. I would wear. We have a little bracelet bundle here. Adorable. I would wear. Guys. Gagged. Insane. Keep. Okay, this is a little too much for me. Yeah, I wouldn't wear that. However, we love our little dainty pieces. That's cute, but I don't think I would wear that. Kind of reminds me of other things. I don't know. Okay. Oh, that's, yeah, insane. Keep. Oh, look at all the cat eye. We're keeping. And then we have like a bunch of rings. We have this one. I actually have one very similar, so I'm not going to keep. Oh, yeah. That's a keep for sure. Oh my gosh, look at this bangle. Look at the details on that, guys. Yep, keep. We have a plain pink one I'm not going to keep. Here's another ring. Oh, yeah. Wait, is it going to fit? It's not going to fit me. Dang it. Okay, this one's going to be for you guys. You're welcome. Got some 925 in here. Okay, Debbie. Thank you, girl. Oh, my gosh. That's so beautiful. I wonder if it's Avon. It says Rome Party 925, so I would wear. I think it's cute. This, I love stuff like this. I would wear. That's a keep. I like that one, actually. Ooh. Those are pretty. I just don't see myself ever wearing them, but they are gorgeous. I'm just not a big studs girly. This is going to be way too big for me, so she's for you. Oh my god. Oh, we're putting some ring adjusters on her. She's stunning. Yes. Yes. What are you? It's in a bag. Oh, I love the bagged items so much. It's just like a surprise within a surprise. Ooh. Is this a choker? No freaking way. Oh, that's a choker. I repeat, that is a choker. Oh, and it's so beautiful. Look at the little bee on it. Okay, I would wear. I would wear. Avon? No freaking way. This is my second Avon piece, I think, unless I missed another one. Girl, that's so pretty. Very like beachy too, honestly. Here's the little stamp at the top here. It says Avon. Oh, we've got some dangles. I wouldn't wear those though. Look at these heart hoops. Yeah, yes, all the way. More butterflies. I love butterflies. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, it's backwards. I think. I don't really know, but that's stunning and I would wear. Guys, look at these earrings. They're so chunky, but I could rock those. I already know I already know I'm gonna love these. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No, they broke. We're gonna figure out how to fix, but those are insanely pretty. We're gonna put those up here so I can fix them later. Look at these hoops. They're closing A. Oh my gosh. I would wear. And then here's our other little butterfly match. These ones we're not gonna keep. I don't think I would wear that one, so we're not gonna keep. I love that. Oh my god, imagine. It's a slinky, but no, seriously. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and dump. We've got this hair clip. I'm not gonna keep that. I will be keeping these little hairpins for raves. I think those are adorable. They're little like flower butterflies. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the little charm bracelet. 10 out of 10 keeping. Here's our other match. And then we have this. What are you? Shut up. Guys, look at the seashells. I think it's backwards. Look at the little seashells with the blue butterfly. It's a layered necklace. Yep, I would wear. Guys, go check out Debbie. Insane jars. I cannot believe my eyes. This is insane. Go check her out, and I will see you all in the next one. I love you so much. Bye.